Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Realme 13 Pro Plus, a smartphone that's making waves for photography enthusiasts, especially those just starting out. Priced at around $400, it's certainly more affordable than many high-end models, but does it deliver where it counts? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the main reason you'd buy this phone: the camera. The Realme 13 Pro Plus packs a punch with its impressive camera system, featuring a Sony sensor that captures stunning details even in low light. Whether you're snapping close-ups or zooming in up to 200mm, the AI image enhancement ensures your photos look sharp and vibrant. It might not be a DSLR replacement, but it's certainly up there with higher-priced smartphones when it comes to photography. Now, every phone has its quirks, and the Realme 13 Pro Plus is no exception. While the AI enhancement does wonders, it can sometimes miss the mark, softening details or altering colors unexpectedly. The white balance between the main and telephoto cameras can be inconsistent, and the ultra-wide camera, like many in this price range, struggles in low light. Video recording is decent, but without electronic image stabilization in 4K, you're better off sticking to 1080p for smoother footage. Design-wise, the Realme 13 Pro Plus is solid. It sports a glass back, a plastic bezel, and a distinctive circular camera module with a stone-like pattern that adds a unique touch. It's IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, and while it lacks USB 3.0, the display compensates with a high brightness mode that peaks at 1200 nits, making it one of the best in its class for visibility. Under the hood, the phone runs on the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor. It handles daily tasks and non-intensive games without a hitch, though it's not a powerhouse for heavy gaming. The battery life sees a minor boost with a 200 mAh increase over its predecessor, but the difference is hardly noticeable. Charging time remains around 40 minutes for a full charge, efficient but not groundbreaking. So, should you buy the Realme 13 Pro Plus if you're passionate about photography or want to explore it without breaking the bank? This phone is a fantastic choice. It's packed with camera features that rival more expensive models, making it perfect for beginners. However, if photography isn't your main focus, you might want to explore other options. But for those who live for the perfect shot, the Realme 13 Pro Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.